got a hair expert, Debbie Ford, so I thought she'd be great to come along and have tea with us today, girls. So you've met Sita and you've met Cassie, and they've all got different questions that we want to ask. So I think really explain a little bit about yourself and why you use these products.
I'm 48 years old, I'm a hairdresser and I'm a mum to 4 children. I've been hairdressing now for over 30 years in the industry, and over that time I've come across quite a lot of different women that have been suffering with hair loss and hair thinning, brittle hair during their menopause years. I'd say the most important thing, Debbie, is a balanced diet. We need to be eating good, healthy, whole foods, things that are going to feed our body and feed our hair. So I'm talking about meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, anything that's going to work for our body, but it's all got to be healthy and whole foods.
Cassie, what would you like to ask Debbie today about your hair?
Oh, Debbie, like millions of women all over the world, I've got patches of hair loss. Can you recommend anything that would help to regrow them patches of hair loss?
The number one dude we've got here is our biotin, vitamin B7. This is what will actually make the keratin in your hair, and this will grow your hair.
That's amazing. I've heard about biotin and I'm quite excited because I believe this is also good for your skin as well. Is that right?
Yes, it is. It's good for your skin and for your nails. If you've got dry, brittle nails, you'll find that your nails will also benefit from taking the biotin.
I used to take the cheaper versions, you know, the boots,
Yeah.
and you know, all that, and I've done it for years and nothing was happening. And these are a little bit more expensive, but when I started taking this, I started to notice a difference in myself. I just felt better. I don't feel so tired.
But does biotin help with nail growth? Because I've found that my nails are really, really brittle and breaking away, whereas they used to be quite
Well, the good
strong.
news is, yes, it does. You'll find that there'll be a big change in your nail growth and also your skin. And what you've got to remember, whatever you're putting in your body, it's not just going to work for one thing. Our bodies are all connected, and whatever we take is going to bring a balance to our body, and every part of your cell is going to be getting fed by these vitamins.
What about you, Sita? What sort of vitamin? Do you take vitamins or products, or do you just eat healthy?
I take a multivitamin, the one-stop shop that does all, and that's all I take. Is it worth taking all these vitamins, or does just one multivitamin I take a day help?
Well, Sita, what I'd say to that is, if you're feeling good with the one vitamin, that's great. Carry on with what you're doing. But something that I would definitely recommend to take for all women is the magnesium.
What do you think the benefits of magnesium would be for me?
We're all lacking the magnesium. So what the magnesium will do, it helps with hair growth, but it also works with a lot of different things like anxiety, hot flushes and insomnia, which is a thing that all women are really suffering
That's
with.
one thing that I felt that I was lacking, because the insomnia and the anxiety attacks, that is what I started to take, and it was brilliant. So I really do recommend
I'd recommend taking it as the Floridix, this one here, which is made of fruit juices. It's a liquid, very easy to take, and it tastes lovely.
Okay, so that would be good to switch to.
Really tasty, really easy to take. One little swig of it every morning, and you're getting the magnesium that you need.
Okay, that's brilliant.
And how often do you take it? Every day?
Yes, that's right. You take it every day, just one shot in the morning, afternoon, whenever you feel that it's an easy time for you to take it.
I know we've heard a lot about the maca powder.
Okay, maca powder is one of the superfoods, and that's amazing for women's health. It's got the vitamin B6, calcium and iron in there.
Really?
It's not for everybody because it has got quite a strong flavour. It's very kind of malty. I particularly like it. And it's another thing that you can sprinkle into smoothies, into your porridge or into some soups.
Do you feel that when a lady gets to a certain time in their life, like menopause, that you should have a good haircut? My hair's getting quite straggly and thin. Do you think this is the time to have the chop?
Well, what's important, Debbie, is that you find a good hairdresser who's going to take care of your hair, and that you do have it trimmed regularly. You don't necessarily have to go for the chop. There's lots of women that could like to keep their hair a little bit longer, but it's about looking after your hair and using the right products on your hair to try and keep it looking and feeling good. Because through the menopause, most women are suffering with hair that's dry and it's brittle and it's not feeling its best. So by having it trimmed regularly, you're going to get rid of any dead hair, and using the right products on it, you're going to keep the hair feeling luxurious.
Well, a little bit of pampering goes a long way, doesn't it, girls? Okay, ladies, I think what we should do is all keep a little diary, and we can all get back to Debbie in a few weeks and see if all these vitamins that she's suggested, if they really do help.
This is perfect for me because I really don't take anything at all. I take a multivitamin and that is it.
So you're going to do the food diary now?
I will do a food diary.
And we're going to do a vitamin diary as well, yeah?
Yeah, I will do this.
Oh, brilliant.
Are you
Sure, I'm
Love
quite
it.
excited
So 6
actually.
to 8 weeks, give the hair a little bit of time to grow and see how it's looking and feeling.
Brilliant.
Perfect.
Goodbye, ladies, and if you want to get in touch about your hair problems, log on to hotflushclub.com.